event, which will be the finals of the boys 55-meter hurdles. And for our introduction, we send it back to Dennis Cornfield.
Thank you, Lou. Here we go. The first track final for the boys varsity. Lane 1 from Woodbridge, Charlie Taggart. Lane 2 from Huntington, Long Island, Jalen Bush. Lane 3 from North Brunswick, New Jersey, Remy Berberina. Lane 4, the fastest qualifier from Egg Harbor, 7:87. Qualifying time, Anthony Vasquez. Lane 5, the second fastest qualifier, 7:94 from Francis Lewis, from the New York PSAL, Sean Hewitt. Lane 6, from upstate New York, Pine Bush, this is Sean Giannino. Lane 7 from Christ the King of the Catholic High School Athletic Association, Jelani Sundar. And lane 8 from North Plainfield, New Jersey, Croissant Jean-Baptiste. People on the infield, please move back away from lane 8. Here we go. Taggart, Bush, Berberina, Vasquez, Hewitt, Giannino, Sundar, Jean-Baptiste. Finals for the boys 55-meter hurdles. Shot down the straightaway they come. Here she is, Vasquez and Hewitt. Vasquez, Hewitt at the finish. Nail Lander. Hewitt, Vasquez, Berberina across the finish line together. Waiting for the photo. And our champion of the 55-meter hurdles will be. The longer it takes, the closer it is. Our 55 finals will be following the sophomore boys 4x4. Here it comes. Not yet.
This is the final call in varsity girls' white 800-meter relay check-in.